Hello and welcome to the Capricorn Cache tutorials. In this video I will be demonstrating you how you can install your cache solution. To install your cache solution you need to look down in the bottom. In the right side corner you will find the downloads option. In this page cache solution, desktop order application and biometric drivers are available. So the best thing to do is install desktop order application, and to download the certificate you have to install cache solution is a multi-purpose software, so it also contains code related to the operations in Capricorn Cache. After the setup has been downloaded, just click on it to run. The process is simple, just click on next and then close. Now the application has been installed. Make sure the application is run as administrator every time. So I will make the changes by right clicking on the shortcut, going in the properties. In the compatibility section you will find run this program as an administrator. Check it and click OK. Once that is done, double click on the application. It will start in the bottom. You can see the cache solution signing service is running. Now to use the application you just have to right click and you will find the download DSC option. Thanks for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one.